Question 7 on the algebra, on the jumping of things. So how I went and then I jumped from the different bits. So we are from this step, okay? Everybody can see how we can go to this step? What did I do there? I simply said I'm going to make everything common denominator. So I'm going to multiply this by sum of xi minus x bar squared. And I'm going to multiply the top bit by xi minus x bar squared. Have I changed anything? No, I haven't. Can I also multiply this by n and the bottom bit by n? Have I changed anything? No, I haven't changed anything. But now I have that as a common denominator. Agree? Now, I see sigma square here. I see sigma square here. I can factor that out, because it's a common factor in that numerator. So then I have this part, which is the same as this part here, plus this part here, which is this remaining here bit once I factor out the sigma square. Okay? Okay, that's so far so good, right? Then what I do is I open up this thing here. So what am I using here? I'm simply using a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, and if you have a minus b squared, then you make this plus into a minus. And that's what I'm using on that next step here. Okay, so this bit here is just opening up this squared. Okay? Then here I'm saying that the summation operator is linear. What does that mean? That simply implies that this summation notation, I can bring it in here, bring it in here, bring it in here. But of course, and as I bring in that summation notation, I bring it here. X bar is something that doesn't change depending on I, so I can pull it out. The 2 is also constant, so I can pull those out. I'm just left with sum of xi. Agree? Okay. And then I have plus this bit here, sum of those. This doesn't depend on I, so this will equal to n times x bar squared, because those are all constants. Now, what is this equal to? Sum of xi as a function of x bar. N times x bar. So then I have minus 2n x bar square plus nx bar square plus nx bar square. This will cancel. Okay? Those things will cancel. So then what I will have is simply sigma square sum of xi square over n sum xi minus x bar squared. Yeah.
I just don't understand where the x bar after 2 went. Like, how did that get cancelled? Like, what did it get cancelled? I'm just not.
Square. So the zero is a x bar squared. So the x bar.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so there was a question about the cancellation there, but I think it's clear now, right? Yeah. Okay. So if you rewrite this out and you look at the solutions, I think you'll all kind of understand what's going on here. Okay, so it's a matter of just practicing this. Can I take any follow-up questions? Everybody clear on this jumping of the algebra? Okay. Excellent. So I'll stop this here.